Hi, it's Raj. This is the unboxing and brief look of the Strauss Cycling Helmet which I bought from Amazon India. They have also included a protection mask in this package. So let's see what's inside.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So we have the Strauss helmet in its box. The combo with the mask costed me lesser than the regular product. The helmet is made of polyvinyl chloride, polycarbonate and expanded polystyrene foam, which makes it stronger and lighter at the same time. Around the box, you will find some safety instructions and features of the helmet. So, this is the mask which is also from Strauss. The mask looks nice and also the material feels good. Now let's take the helmet out of the box. There are around 7 different color options available and my choice was the yellow-black variant. So this is the removable visor. However, I found it too difficult to attach it. Finally, I had to knock off 2 locks from the visor to fix it comfortably on the helmet. Bad design or maybe a rare fault. So the helmet has got lots of vents, around 18 in number. Strauss says that the helmet's dial fit strip makes it suitable for adult, youth and even children. Still, they have mentioned the head circumference range, that is 54 to 63 cm, which can be measured as shown in the pic. So the inner part is made of breathable material with lots of pads. However, the pads were attached only with some double-sided tapes. It has lots of adjustable straps. The quick release buckle makes it easy to remove the helmet. There is also a soft chin pad near the buckle. Also, Strauss has affixed a note on the inside saying, "You should not use this helmet if there is a chance of strangulation or hanging, like in the case of activities including climbing. Also, you should discard a partially broken helmet instead of trying and repairing it." Overall, the product looks and feels good. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Moreover, the rear mounted dial is easily accessible for adjustment after wearing. The straps are also well placed and comfortable. Now wearing the helmet along with the mask. So I bought this helmet for my 8-year-old niece and with some strap adjustments it suited her. So for the price paid, I would say it's worth it. You can find the product links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.